Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class. This is Mohammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Yvette School. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. Dear students, it's known to you that the annual examination of 2022 has been cancelled by the order of Ministry of Education. But you have to submit 18 assignments based on your subject, and I also think that you are busy with your all activity, and we are also continuing our online class. Today I am going to conduct a class for class 6 English second paper. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our class. Welcome to online class. This is my identity. I have already given you. Dear students, in my previous class we have discussed about tense, all through tense. Today we are going to discuss tense, specific one tense, present indefinite tense. Okay, so just firstly you have to set up your mind. Look at the picture. Can you speak in English about the following pictures? This first picture, second picture and third picture. Can you speak in English about the following pictures? Yes, you can do. First one. Yes, the cow lives on grass. The cow lives on grass. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. And the third one is they go to school every day. You have seen that some students are waiting or standing on the road, and they go to school every day. They go to school every day. So, can you say what kind of tense are those? Yes, you are right. They are present indefinite tense. Sir, they are present indefinite tense. You are right. Thank you. You are right. Thanks a lot, everybody. Claps for him. They are present indefinite tense. So, listen declaration. Today we are going to discuss in our class present indefinite tense. Today our session is present indefinite tense. Okay? Dear learners, I think that you are ready with your books and notebooks and pencils, khata and pen. So you have to write. Today our session is present indefinite tense. Okay? Learning outcome. This is our learning outcome. After completing this lesson, students will be able to say how many kinds of tense. Say how many kinds of tense. Write the structure of present indefinite tense. Write the structure of present indefinite tense. Make correct sentence according to present indefinite tense. Make correct sentence according to present indefinite tense. Rewrite in present indefinite tense. Okay, this is our learning outcome. After ending this session, we will be able to this activity. Okay, we can deserve this activity. Present indefinite tense. Look at the picture, student. Can anyone say the definition of present indefinite tense? Yes, you can do. I know. What is the definition of present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense denotes on an action in the present time of habitual event in universal truth, historical events and near future. This is the definition of present indefinite tense. Dear learners, you must write this definition in your notebook, please. What is the definition of present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time of habitual event, universal truth, historical events, and near future. Okay? Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time of habitual event, universal truth, historical events, and near future. This is the definition of present indefinite tense. Please write down in your notebook, please. Dear learners, I think that you have finished writing this definition in your notebook. We will go to next slide. Present indefinite tense. Can anyone say the structure of present indefinite tense? Yes, you can. This is the present indefinite tense structure: affirmative structure, negative structure. Okay, interrogative structure. I have written three structure. Firstly, affirmative structure. And the structure is subject plus B1 plus object. Subject plus B1 that means the present form of verb, you know. B1 that means the present form of verb. Subject plus B1 plus object, okay. And negative structure is subject plus do not or does not. Subject plus do not or does not, then B1 plus object. Okay, negative structure is subject plus do not or does not plus V1 that means the present form of verb plus object. And interrogative structure do or does, then subject, then V1 plus object, then note of indication, question marks. Okay, please students write down this structure in your notebook. This is very important, and this is the very important notes for the present indefinite tense. If subject is third person singular number, then s or es or ies will be added with principal verb. Okay, if subject is third person singular number, then s or es will be added with principal verb. This is very important note. Please write down this note in your notebook. If subject is third person singular number, then s or es will be added with principal verb. Okay. Okay, now we'll go to next slide. Present indefinite tense. If this is another note, and this note is applicable right from verb, so you have to know these rules. If in the sentence there is everybody, if in the sentence there is every day, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, generally, the sentence will be present indefinite tense. Okay, and this is the example: mother reads the Quran every day. Every day is the symbol. Mother reads the Quran every day. Regularly I pay my tuition fee, etc. etc. Okay, this is the note or rules. If in the sentence there is everybody, always, regularly, occasionally, usually, often, sometimes, generally, the sentence will be present indefinite tense. Pair work, ask and answer, follow the conversation. Since you are staying at your home, so you have to do it individually, not pair work. It's individual. Do you like mango? Yes, I do. Do you like mango? Yes, I do. Mainly, what does the cow give us? What does the cow give us? Mainly, the cow gives us milk. Mainly, the cow gives us milk. Does he wash his hands before eating? Yes, yes, he does. Now, any two boys come to near my desk and make a dialogue using do, does, or don't, or doesn't. This is your individual work. We go to school. We go to school every day, but Rana does not go to school every day. He plays football with his friends. Do you go to school every day? What does he read in? Rahat lives in Dhaka with his family. Do you love your school? Sabina sings a song. The sun rises in the east. A teacher makes his class very interesting. Please write this example or individual work in your notebook, please. This is your group work. No need to. Homework. Write down 5 sentences that you read, that you and your sister do at your house using present indefinite tense. Okay, dear learners, this is your homework. Write down 5 sentences that you and your sister do at your house using present indefinite tense. Dear learners, we have reached the ending situation in your class. Okay, dear students, thanks a lot for your active participation in my class. Take care of yourself. Don't go outside without any emergency. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.